You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood actor Mustapha Sholagbade has told his friends and fans that they should not mourn him if he dies. Taken to his Instagram page, he said someone who has never shared his picture for his birthday on any social media handle should not bother to mourn him in death if he dies today. The actor said he won't be happy with a person like that. He said it's basically okay to let people be grieving the way they want to mourn, but it's also necessary to direct people. Mustapha said the human race only cares about today, which makes us so evil. He said he is embittered about the human race, full of eye service. Check out some reactions from people.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.